Hi everyone, if your Proton VPN is not working or keeps getting stuck on connecting, this video may help you fix the problem. Let's get started. First, turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds. Then turn it off and try connecting to Proton VPN again. If it's still not connecting, go back to your home screen. Long press the Proton VPN app and tap App Info. Then tap Force Stop. Now open Proton VPN again and try to connect. If the problem still continues, tap the settings icon inside Proton VPN. Scroll down and tap Protocol. First, select WireGuard UDP and test the connection. If that doesn't work, switch to WireGuard TCP and try again. If it's still not connecting, select Stealth Mode. On some networks, Stealth Mode can work better because it is designed to help when VPN traffic is being restricted. That's it. I hope one of these methods helps you connect. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe,